Here are Miley's Australian Labradoodle puppies at almost 5 weeks. There's Joey trying to grab a little bit off the buffet. And that's Emma. So Emma. Yes. What? Here's Phoebe. She's a social little girl. You're a cute little social girl, aren't you? Cute little white paws. Uh-huh. This is Chandler. He's a funny little boy. Yes, you're funny. I like you. There's Emma again. Here's what are you? Ross? Yes, here's Ross. Ross has a little tiny white spot on his head. Here's Monica. She's a little fireball. Aren't you? And always instigating orneriness. Oh, it's okay, Emma. I think Emily's over there getting the back from Mom. There's Joey over there playing with my daughter.
Puppy. Puppy.
Be gentle, honey. There's Rachel. Here's Ross. And Joey. Joey, Emma. That's Joey. And there's Emma and... Oh, come here. Emma and Chandler. Phoebe and no, Phoebe and Ross. Come here, Ross. Well, tell us, Ross. Here's Monica. Who's back here? Oh, here's Emily. You little peanut. Emily's the smallest. Yeah, you're just a little tiny peanut, aren't you? Just a little tiny peanut. Get it, guys. That's Joey and Ross. Are you getting my pants? Are you chewing on my pants, little Emma? Joey's little white face. Oh, what are you telling us about, Emma? Emma, I think you're just dramatic.